450 horsepower, 500 pound-feet of torque, 8,000 pounds of towing capacity. You have missed the boat if you still don't know the features for the new 2025 Toyota Hilux. Toyota's midsize pickup is packing some serious heat, and that's just the start of what makes this truck a total game changer. In today's video, we will tell you why the 2025 Toyota Hilux is built for extreme conditions. But first, there's something unique about it that most of you might not have heard of. Before we move ahead, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Most people believe that midsize trucks are not as strong as big trucks, but Toyota is about to make that different. The new Hilux is not only tough, it's almost impossible to damage. The engineers at Toyota have been pushing this thing to its very limits. It's very hot, very cold, and the ground is rough enough to scare a mountain goat. Toyota didn't just make a tougher truck though, they also made one that was smarter. The 2025 Hilux is smarter than some computers. It can change quickly, giving you fast power when you need it and low power when you don't. Don't even get me started on how much it can pull. This monster is in the middle-size range and it can haul like a pro. Now pay close attention because what's coming next will blow your mind. The Hilux can keep going for a long time after the big trucks have stopped. It's like that tough kid in school who could run faster than everyone else. Heart, not size, is what matters. The Hilux also has a lot of heart. How does the 2025 Hilux make other trucks look like kids' toys? It's simple. It can take a beating and keep going even when other things have given up. When you have the right tools and some creativity, you can make anything happen. But that's not all. Things are going to get even stranger soon, so get ready. Toyota isn't just changing the rules, they're making a whole new game. So keep your eye on the Hilux whether you're a diehard truck fanatic or just someone who likes cool machines. The real truck is about to do something cool. But what if I told you that this beast eats extreme weather for breakfast? Here's the catch. You know how they say when hell freezes over? Well, the 2025 Hilux would probably still start up and drive out. Toyota's gone all out with weatherproofing this monster. It's like they looked at Mother Nature's worst and said, "Is that all you got?" This is where things get crazy. The Hilux isn't just getting by in these conditions, it's thriving. Think about driving through a sandstorm that would choke and kill most cars. The Hilux, it keeps going. They added a snorkel air intake that pulls in clean air from above. It's so fast that it can go through deep water like it's nothing. That was not all Toyota did though. This truck is full of really cool tech that will help you handle any weather. With the push of a button, these systems can change to work in any condition, from hot deserts to cold tundras. It's like having a god of the weather inside the car. The cabin? It is stronger than turtle shells. Toyota has never used so much high-strength steel. It's likely that this truck could handle being hit by a meteor and keep going. Also, don't even talk about the suspension. The dampening system works like magic and changes to fit the road faster than you can blink. What is the secret to Hilux's ability to handle harsh weather? It's more than one thing. Rugged design and cutting-edge technology work together perfectly. The stronger seals keep dust out and high-tech materials don't mind being in very hot or cold temperatures. Toyota made a truck that doesn't just handle rough terrain, it owns it. Your Hilux is ready to go with you whether you're crossing the Sahara or exploring the Arctic. Toyota seems to have just looked at every extreme on Earth and said, "Yeah, we'll take it." Don't worry though, we're just getting warmed up. The best is still to come. This truck doesn't just change the rules, it makes a whole new field for the game. Wait for it. The 2025 Hilux is about to change what it means to be tough. But I have an interesting story for you, a story that would explain Toyota Hilux's feature in a breathtaking way. David and Goliath, remember that story? Well, Toyota's cooking up a modern version with wheels. We've been told for years that bigger trucks are always better. That's not true for Toyota though. The Hilux has been changed into a monster killer. Toyota's engineers have done a really great job here. They've packed the power of a full-size truck into a mid-size car in some way. It looks like they made the inside of the truck bigger. It's possible to carry 2,500 pounds in the bed of the new Hilux. Some full-size trucks can't even handle that much. But wait, things still get stranger. The Hilux is smart as well as strong. It now has a new 10-speed automatic transmission from Toyota. It changes gears more smoothly than butter melting on a hot pan. This transmission not only makes the ride smoother, but it also helps the Hilux use less gas. Let's talk numbers about how much fuel a car uses. 30 miles per gallon is what the hybrid Hilux gets. It gets a respectable 22 mpg even with the V6 engine. That level of efficiency will make those big trucks that use a lot of gas green with envy. But now things get really crazy. There is a lot more suspension than before. The front and rear leaf springs have been changed to make this truck as tough as nails. It's strong enough to carry heavy things without getting tired, but it's still comfortable enough for your daily drive. Can this midsize pickup really last longer than full-size trucks? Yeah, it can. It can keep going for a long time and is strong like a powerlifter. Experts say that the 2025 Hilux is a real threat to bigger trucks in the real world because it has a lot of power, good gas mileage, and high-tech gadgets. And if you think that sounds cool, wait until you hear what's inside. Something great has been made by Toyota, and it's going to change trucks forever. Prepare yourself, because the 2025 Hilux will show you that sometimes the smallest things are the best. Let's open up the hood and see what Toyota's been working on behind our backs. Do you remember when I said they were hiding something big? Okay, this is it. The 2025 Hilux's engine isn't just better, it's a whole new animal. Toyota didn't just make this truck run better, they made a monster out of everything. This car has a 2.8-liter turbo diesel engine that makes 210 horsepower. That's not even the best part. It has 420 pound-feet of torque. That pull is strong enough to make a tractor cry. That was not all Toyota did though. They knew that some people would rather have something different. So the Hilux is the first ever car to come with a hybrid powertrain. It looks like an electric motor was put together with a regular engine after giving it a shot of espresso. And the result? A setup that makes 250 horsepower. For people who want power and want to save gas, this is perfect. This is where things get really interesting. They didn't just make these engines strong, they also made them smart. It has way more tech in it than some computers. This cool thing in the Hilux is called Terrain Select. Based on the road surface, the engine and drivetrain work in different ways. It gets really cool when you step on the gas though. The Toyota Hilux now has a new automatic transmission with 10 speeds. The transmission not only makes the ride smoother, but it also helps the Hilux use less gas. Want to know how well it works? The hybrid Hilux can go 30 miles per gallon. Yeah, 30. It gets 22 mpg even with the V6. That level of efficiency will make those big trucks that use a lot of gas green with envy. If you thought Toyota couldn't possibly surprise you any further, they go ahead and give this truck great brakes as well. The 2025 Hilux is the fastest mid-sized truck on the market when it comes to slowing down. From 60 miles per hour, it only takes 120 feet to stop. That's the same as giving your truck superpowers. So, the 2025 Toyota Hilux isn't just another truck. It changes everything. What we thought we knew about pickups has been turned on its head by Toyota. Imagine a mid-sized truck that can handle bad weather better than most cars and perform better than the big boys. The new Hilux is ready for anything, like carrying logs or shopping for food. It's tough, smart, and has lots of surprises. Watch out, because this Hilux is about to change what a real truck can do.